What's up everyone, Amy here. I hope you're having a great start to 2022. In this quick video, I want to show you how to submit your GroovePages website sitemap to Google Search Console. Why? So that your website pages get indexed and crawled by Google, which is great for SEO, search engine optimization. Now, I've created a bunch of Groove videos last year and some of them are outdated because of the interface updates. So what I'll start doing is putting all of 2021's videos in that year's playlist. And all you have to do is look for my playlist called GroovePages Tutorial 2022 on my channel. One last thing, if you're watching this video before the 22nd of February 2022 and haven't upgraded to Groove Lifetime yet, then definitely check out my $3,000 worth of bonuses in the description area below. There's already 9 bonuses there, and I'm planning to add more bonuses for those who upgrade to Groove Lifetime through me. So be sure to check out my upgrade link in the video description area below. Alright, enough yapping, let's dive right in. Okay, the first thing to do is adding your domain to Google Search Console. And I've already created a video on my channel called E33 Add GroovePages website to Google Search Console. Even though this video is for Cloudflare, if you added your custom domains directly on Groove, then just click on these chapters and watch from this to verifying domain ownership part of the video. You will watch the video up to this section where you can see verify domain ownership via DNS records. Let me increase the screen size so that you can see. Google Search Console will ask you to add this TXT record, which is down here, onto your DNS provider. The DNS provider I used in this video was Cloudflare, but for your domain on Groove, log into Groove, go to your avatar, My Accounts, Domains, Custom Domains, Manage, locate the domain that you want to add Google Search Console to, click on DNS, click on Add Record, under Type, select TXT. For name, you would type in @ for the root domain. For content, head back to your Google Search Console, copy this TXT record, paste the TXT record here, leave TTL as is and click on Save. Give it a few minutes because it might take some time for the TXT record to propagate on Groove servers, and then you can go back here and click on Verify. Now that you're set up on Google Search Console, it's time to submit your sitemap. Head to the browser and type in yourdomain.com. Let's use Groove's domain for example, since it's built on GroovePages. And what you would do next is after the .com, and in this case it's .cm, you would type in /sitemap.xml. This here is your sitemap URL and it would look like this. So go ahead, type in yourdomain.com /sitemap.xml to see if you get a page looking like this. Now head back into Google Search Console, log in. In this drop down, select your domain, then head down here, click on Sitemaps. Under Add a new sitemap, you want to type in sitemap.xml here and click on Submit. Google will crawl your website based on this sitemap URL, and it will take anywhere from 4 days to 4 weeks for a brand new website to be crawled and indexed by Google. I also want to thank some Groove members who supported this channel by buying me a sushi. Shout out to Amber Holt, Danielle, and Bradley Mayer. Thank you so much for your generosity and kindness. I really appreciate it. Alright guys, did that help? If it did, please help me out and give this video a thumbs up. And if you already upgraded to Lifetime, you can also help support the channel by buying me a sushi. The link to that is in my pinned comment below. And until next time, see ya!